Hello, today I'm going to tell you how to build a wheel tower. A tower with wheels that can be moved. So, let's start out with this piece. So then we add these type of wheels and put them right here at the edges and put the other one on the other side. Make it equivalent looking. Like that. So flip it. And then we start out from building the top. There we add some of these Legos. And if you don't have these type, if you don't have any more of these type, use these. Keep adding it up. More and more and more and more. And then this, do you hear that? That's my brother just reading some book. He doesn't want to go anywhere else. Let's read in here. And then just add this. Add this to the top of the tower. And if you want to make it a tiny bit taller, add a flat one. There you got your wheel tower. Move around. Hit those wheels. Okay, so thank you for watching this video today. Please subscribe and hit the like, and I'll see you in the next video.